students, welcome to Shri Siddh Vidyapith School. I hope you all doing good and staying safe from this COVID-19. So students, today we are going to solve the question and answers of this chapter Little Nino and My Secret Beard. So students, get ready with your textbooks. I am going to call out the questions from the textbooks and here are the solutions of these questions. Students, see on page number 5. Right below the story, there you can see reading comprehension. Answer these questions within 20 words each. Why was DJ so called? DJ was so called because Nino wanted to make his Dadaji, his grandpa, the DJ of the 21st century. What were Nino's favorite subjects? Nino's favorite subjects were airplanes, elevators, vehicles, computers, and Indian trains. What, according to his grandfather, was Nino's real secret? According to his grandfather, Nino's real secret was inquiry, for he would never accept any answer until he was completely satisfied. Why did DJ want to convince Nino to save water? DJ wanted to convince Nino to save water because he would inspire his friends and the message would be carried through. Move on to next one. Answer the questions in 30 to 40 words each. How does DJ describe Nino? Nino was barely 6 years old, but his level of intelligence was beyond that of most young adults and many other adults too, including his own grandfather. He knew about the airspeed indicator and the altimeter, and his favorite subjects were airplanes, elevators, vehicles, computers, and Indian trains. Narrate the motorman's experience with Nino. The motorman was impressed by Nino's interest and explained the working of the controls, but he was completely taken aback when Nino asked him whether the Rajdhani engine was a VAP 5 or a VAP 7. He was further shocked when Nino asked which engine was used in the Duronto. How do you know that DJ was nervous when talking to Nino regarding water conservation? DJ was nervous about talking to Nino regarding water conservation because he had to be fully prepared to answer all the innocent and improbable questions that would arise in Nino's mind. He had to plan the probable questions that Nino would ask and prepare the answers. Why was Nino given a gold star at school one day? Nino got a gold star in class one day for his essay on how kids can save water. He had written on how kids could save big rivers but could save a few drops of water by following some practices. The teacher asked him to read out the essay to the whole class. List Nino's methods to save water. If you see a tap dripping, close it. Water some drying plant or a tree in the school compound with the water remaining in your water bottle. Nino had also decided that he would use only one bucket of water for his bath instead of using the shower. So if a child like him could save 5 buckets of water daily, grown-ups too could do so. Let's move on to next one. Answer these questions in 80 to 100 words each. How do you think DJ felt when Nino described his essay to him? Justify your answer. When Nino described his essay to him, DJ felt quite surprised. His little grandson, who was barely 6 years old, had listed ways to conserve water when he had been wondering how to broach the topic of water conservation to him. He was more and more intrigued as Nino went on to explain how children like him could save drops of water even if they could not save big rivers. Nino showed how a child could save 5 buckets of water daily by using only one bucket of water instead of using the shower. And DJ was not only impressed but also very proud of what his grandson had written. He claimed that he was a water warrior himself and used only a bucket of water for a bath. Nino, however, had the last word when he said that DJ always kept the tap on when he was shaving, so he could grow a beard to reduce shaving and save water. DJ was ready to comply with him suggestions and feel he looks quite handsome with his beard. Water scarcity is a problem which many people are not aware of. What do you think accounts for this ignorance? Water scarcity is certainly a problem that has attained monstrous proportions. Most people are not aware of our depleted natural resources and do not care to use water sparingly. They are indifferent to the problem and feel that as long as they receive uninterrupted water supply, all is well in their world. Many of them leave public taps open after using them, uncaring of the water that is wasted. Some of them either forgetful or unmindful of the amount of water that can get wasted if leaking taps are not attended to at the right time. Some of them do not pay any heed to the programs that are conducted frequently to bring about awareness regarding the need to conserve water natural resources. Move on to next one. D. Read these sentences and answer the questions that follow. I would have to be fully prepared. Who says this? DJ or Nino's grandfather says this. What would the speaker have to be prepared for? The speaker would have to be prepared to answer all the improbable and innocent questions that Nino would come up with. How does he prepare himself? He prepares himself by planning the probable question that Nino would ask and getting ready with the second one. Move on to next one. Reference. Move on to next one. Read these sentences and answer the questions that follow. First one. I would have to be fully prepared. Who says this? DJ or Nino's grandfather says this. What would the speaker have to be prepared for? The speaker would have to be prepared to answer all the improbable and innocent questions that Nino would come up with. How does he prepare himself? He prepares himself by planning the probable questions that Nino would ask and getting ready with the answers expected. Second one. Now I was more intrigued. Who is the speaker? The speaker is DJ, Nino's grandfather. Why was he intrigued? He was intrigued because Nino had just told him that he had written an essay about how children can save water and he was curious to know what could be done. What did he learn immediately after? Nino immediately followed it up by saying that it was very simple. Though they could not save big rivers, they could save a few drops and went on to list the steps of saving water. So students, here are the solutions for your questions in your textbook. I hope you will note it down in your fair copy and revise it, learn it thoroughly. Thank you. If you have any doubt regarding this chapter or these questions, you can ask me. I am going to clear it out in next video.